Well guys, let's just say that Brittany's gonna be making a new type of friend today. So I'm not really gonna do too much talking. Let's go ahead and head to Sebastian's house. That's his name. Shout out to him for, as he read in the title, we're gonna trade. I'm gonna give him my 370 for him to drive, and I'm gonna be driving his STI, which is really cool because guys, before I bought this car, there was a time where I couldn't find any at the price range, and I told my dad, let's just look for STIs. And then I saw how much they cost, and yeah, this is why we're in this. But yeah, big shout out to him. I'm really excited to drive an STI. I've never been in a Subaru. Actually, I did once, but not an STI. So huge shout out to him, and let's go ahead and head to his house. I'm actually really curious to know, guys. Let me know in the comments below if any of you drive a Subaru. And we made it, boys. We made it. Did I scrape so hard over there? What's good, bro? How's it going?
How's it going, man?
How's it going?
How's it going?
Good.
Good.
Here's the beauty.
Yeah.
That's nice.
There's drive modes. I usually just leave it, if you can see right here. So here there's sport and sport sharp. I think the car starts up in sport. Basically what it does, it just, you know, the throttle becomes a little more responsive and stuff. Yeah, just twist it and you'll hear it ding, and it twists it to the right to go in sport sharp. That's usually what I drive it in. Okay. And that's pretty much it.
He even has a 240, so that's pretty cool. I don't think I've ever seen it. Yeah, have a car events and car meets and stuff, but that's nice.
I want to take it all the way up.
That exhaust tip.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's a 3-inch from the turbo
3-inch? Dang.
Pretty interesting car. Usually a lot of 240s, they're pretty beat up and stuff.
Yeah, this one's like pretty clean.
It has the 300 ZX brakes.
Oh, really?
Yeah, so the brakes are... And it has
that's nice. I like the wheels.
Yeah, I think it has R32 G-turbos. Yeah.
Are they?
Yeah, they're off.
Oh. Something I really like about these cars is the seatbelt. I like how it goes back.
Yeah. Yeah, the dash. The dash is in.
Oh yeah, I saw that. Yeah.
I don't even know how. I don't know. They must have just always kept the cover because it's so clean.
Yeah.
The interior, the door panels, there's no like wear anywhere. It's a pretty. The interior.
It is a very clean 240. Cold start on a 240. I like how it sounds. Like really like roary.
Tone,
yeah, it's like a deep roar. Here you go. Take care of her.
I will.
Here it is, boys. Wish me luck. So first impressions, boys. The interior is really nice. I really like the interior. It looks like really new. My car's from 09, so you can't really compare, but still. It's a really nice interior, and I like the steering wheel. Alright, boys. First time driving an STI. I'll put the camera over there, and let's do it. Oh my god, I'm like so... Woo! Didn't stall. That's a good sign. So I literally just started driving it, guys. And honestly, it drives so nice compared to my 370Z. Major thumbs up. This is like super nice. You got it or no?
Yeah, right behind you. I just pulled it when I was trying to pull it.
Huh?
I got it now though.
Oh, okay. How is it to drive?
I'm behind. Where's that?
How is it to drive? Do you like it or no?
Yeah, that's cool.
Yeah, it's pretty bad.
Yeah, that's great.
The only difference that I really feel, other than like sitting really high, is the clutch and the transmission. The 370, he just told me that the throws are so much shorter than this one, and I can definitely agree with that. So this is a 2018 Subaru WRX STI, brand new out of the box. I think he told me he had it for like a week or two and then he straight piped it. So, but I don't blame him for that. These cars aren't that loud from the beginning, but guys, it has 305 horsepower. They come with like 305 or 310. I'm pretty sure this one has 310. It feels really nice to drive. I mean, it's probably because I drive like a little small 370Z, but just being here, I really like it. I actually really like it more than I thought. Like right now I'm cruising in 5th gear and there's like really no drone or anything bad at all. And I can even sort of hear the blow-up valve. And as you guys can see right there, I need to get a GoPro for this, but right there it says the PSI, everything in like really like digital and like high quality, something that the Z doesn't have, sadly. Bros, to be honest with you guys, I really don't have much to review at all. This was just like a fun video for you guys so you guys can see other cars on the channel. Overall, the Subaru drives amazing. It shifts super clean. It shifts really nice. My transmission's kind of messed up on the Z, so shifting is kind of cranky. I'll ask him about it and he's probably gonna say it is, but honestly, amazing car. Love it. I really do. The interior is super nice. It doesn't feel as like as hardcore as the 370Z feels, but honestly, when you almost installed. But honestly, when you daily drive or like a hardcore car like that, I much rather drive this car that isn't as loud on the inside as the Z. Should I buy a Subaru? Should I not? I don't know, bros. And as you guys can see back there, sort of, Brittany. Guys, inside the car, the noise does not do its justice at all. The idle's so nice. Like, it's actually super sick. I actually really want to see how he liked my car, like the big difference. Biggest difference.
Biggest difference? Well, one, there's no lag.
Yeah.
Two, yeah, it feels like it has a lot more like low-end torque. Like,
yeah, it does, right?
As soon as you get on it, it's got the torque and it's ready.
Yeah.
Like on my car, like it boost really doesn't kick in until like 4,000 RPM.
And I don't even think I took it above like 5,000 or something.
Yeah, it's a lot different. The shifter's a lot different.
Yeah.
The clutch is definitely, yeah, it's
so
not,
heavy, right?
Yeah, it's pretty heavy.
You wanna park it here and get the thumbnail? She's so beautiful. Back to you. Back to me. And I haven't really even introduced you to the vlog, but this Sebastian, guys, huge shout out to him for letting me drive the Subi. He used to have a Charger, but then he traded in for this. And do you like it more than the Charger? What do you think?
I mean, I really like the Charger. It's when
it was just a scat pack, right?
Yeah, it was a scat pack.
Yeah.
It was like, I think it was a 2016 or 2017. But it's a fun car. But when you're just driving it normal, honestly, I mean, I have a friend with a V6 Charger. You know, it just feels like it's too similar to that when you're just driving normal and stuff. So, like, I really liked it. It's really a lot of fun when you put your foot down and stuff. You know, it's a fast car. It's pretty. But honestly, just driving it normal, it's not very.
This is more fun.
Yeah, this is more fun just driving around normal.
It
just because
is,
the manual,
yeah.
it's more involving and stuff.
Yeah, it's true. The Charger is also automatic, so
yeah,
it takes a little bit away from the
it's a nice looking
engagement
car.
of the car.
Yeah, it's a nice looking car, and it's really quick, but it's honestly just not fun, you know, because that's what I do mostly. I mean, it was my daily, so I drive it daily, and just driving it normal. I mean, it sounds good, but it's not very fun just driving it normal. Like, it's only fun when you put your foot down.
But honestly, you did great, dude. And let me know what you guys think about these. What is it called? What's the color?
Acid green.
Acid green calipers. Yo, I really like this, dude.
Yeah,
that is
cool.
super nice.
It's a cool offset.
Yeah, cause like the black and then you got like the acid green right there.
Yeah.
Super nice. I haven't even seen the back seats. Ooh, that's nice. This is like Alcantara? No.
It's suede. I don't know if it's Alcantara because a lot of people, a misconception is like any seat like this is a suede. A lot of people call it Alcantara.
Yeah.
But Alcantara is actually an Italian brand of suede.
Oh, really?
Like in really, not like fancy cars, but in upper, you know, like sports cars, supercars, they'll have Alcantara.
A bunch, dude, everywhere.
Yeah, Alcantara branded suede. But in normal cars, I don't know if this is legitimately, you know, the company from Alcantara, but
yeah,
like normally this would just be called suede. That's really what it is. Alcantara is an Italian suede brand.
Got it.
A resonator delete. A Magnaflow catback. And then...
As you guys heard, that thing sounded sick, dude. Sounded really awesome.
Yeah, and then I gutted the pre-cats myself.
Yeah.
It's pretty easy.
Alright, so he said he's gonna take me on a full throttle run in the STI. So, should be pretty fun.
Like a
third gear.
Dude, yeah, I'm like, why is this clutch so light? It's so weird.
Yeah, my clutch is heavy. Can they hear that, dude? I hope that the camera can pick this up, dude. It's super cool. Yeah, when you get up there, you feel it.
Yeah. Alright, here we go. No boost, no boost, no boost.
Had to get the free bros. Well, like almost every vlog that I make, we're in the gas station, so it wouldn't be a Danny Say vlog without coming to the gas station. Man, they look super cool next to each other though. Whew. But yeah, I really hope you guys are liking this video. It's nothing crazy, but I mean, it's pretty fun making videos with the cars. Nothing too crazy like racing and stuff, but I like it. Right now we're gonna go ahead and go back to his house because he has a surprise for us. I'm not gonna tell you guys what it is, but let's go ahead and go over there. Like I was saying, guys, huge shout out to him. Really cool guy. Sebastian, really cool guy. The video's almost ending, but he's gonna go ahead and we're gonna go back to his house and he's gonna show me his dad's car, which is honestly a dream car of mine. And this is the surprise we had for you, bros. There's a cold start on a Z06. Bro, when I was a little kid, this is my dream car. Oh yeah. When I was a little kid, this is my dream car, man.
Yeah, these things are insane. It's like a button.
Oh. I don't want to sit, I'm dirty. Oh my goodness. Z06, boys. Z06. Wow. No, that's too loud.
Yeah.
What's it have done to it? Exhaust?
It has long tube headers, high flow cats, cold air intake, and it's tuned.
Tuned.
So right now it makes about 600 wheel.
That's awesome.
Dude, the one thing I found when we first got this, dude, the trunk is actually pretty decent.
Whoa.
It's pretty big.
That is.
Yeah. It's actually, you can get groceries if you want.
Grocery getter. That's the ideal grocery getter right here.
Not really ideal people getter, you know.
Sure. So that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Huge shout out to Sebastian, his friend that came along.
Yeah. Jordan.
Jordan, the STI, the Z06. It was honestly a really fun video. So yeah, bro, huge shout out to him. His YouTube is gonna be down on the description, so make sure you guys subscribe. And yeah, hope we can make another video. Maybe we can go to the track. That'll be pretty fun. Yeah. Home sweet home, boys. Home sweet home. Recap on the video. Honestly, I know that it hasn't changed that much over the years, just like the 370Z, but I'm super impressed with what Subaru has done and how practical a car can be, and also how just nice and aggressive and like racy, I guess that's the word it is. But yeah, let me just end the video right here. It's been a really long video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Sebastian was nice enough. Make sure you guys subscribe to him down below. Shout out to him for making this video fun for you guys. I really try to get out there and, you know, more cars on the channel and like new people on the channel. With that said, next week should be a really good week. I'll probably have like 3 videos up because the wheels are coming in. I gotta put on the wheels, reveal the wheels, and clean the car up like I already said. And just, I'm gonna try to really do a lot of things. Shout out to my neighbor for mowing the grass. You guys probably got really annoyed by that noise.
And that is everything around you.
And with that said, make sure you guys subscribe, share with your friends, subscribe to Sebastian down below. And yeah, we'll see you guys next time. Peace.